Hi there, it's Ty with WTI, and I really like what this Feria 822 medium iridescent blonde color does to my hair. So my point where I started from was not even that light. I mean, partly it was, but partly my roots were darker and I was thinking it will not show any results, but actually it bleached, or like it made lighter my roots. So I got overall just lighter, nicer color that in a natural light you can see that there's some purple and pink. It's very easy to apply this color because everything just goes together in this one bottle. And in your hair, as here in the bottle what I have left, it looks very purple. So don't be afraid of the color. It looks like dark purple in your hair, but once you rinse it out, the color is very approachable, easy, beautiful, pinkish blonde. So as you can see in a slightly different light, the hair looks almost brown with a little bit of red. So it's a fun hair color because it changes according to the surroundings. And now it looks like this. So I'm very pleased with the results. And that, of course, is just my point of view.